Of God, I filled up my bird feeder a week ago with songbird feed, kind of the more expensive bird feed, because I hadn't seen any songbirds. I hadn't seen any birds. It's been untouched. There's no seeds on the ground. Untouched. Still full. Untouched. No seeds on the ground. Where are the birds? I had some little bad birdies make a nest in my gutter. They're gone. I posted 6 to 8 weeks back that the Holy Spirit had said, watch out, watch for the birds, and about that trailer songbird, which is sinister, and all I hear is crickets. I've seen 2 birds this morning, and they're chirping an alarm. Where are all the birds? Do you guys have any birds?